This is the Acta Non Verba Z300. This model of the Z300 is a sleek design with a smooth back flipping opener. The flipper also has an Acta Non Verba Lumi Dot that glows after being exposed to light. The blade is 3.875 inches long and is made of Sleipner steel for excellent wear resistance and edge retention. It has a spear point tip with a false edge on the back side, and it comes in a stonewash finish. The handle has black G10 scales over stainless steel frame lock. The scales are sculpted, and it includes stainless steel hardware. And the extra deep carry pocket clip is reversible and discreet. This Acta Non Verba Z300 is sharp and sleek with a unique design, and you can pick yours up at the link in the description. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. What do you think of the Z300? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're down there, feel free to like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on all our new knife releases. You can also follow Blade HQ on social media, and sign up for newsletter down below. We'll see you in the next one.